Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name's Tim here with PC Direct doing our Wheel of Savings video here on September 1st for the month of July 2012. I have Philip here with me who's going to go ahead and give the wheel a great big spin. How this is going to work is we're going to go ahead and see what day it falls on. Whatever day it is, everybody who shopped on that day of July is going to have a check minus their sales tax for their entire purchase. So we give you money back. We don't take and keep all of it, we give some back. How does that sound? Sounds great? All right, Philip, give her a good spin. We're gonna see what we can do for her. Thank you, Philip. Magical, majestic, wonderful spin. Amazing, amazing. And the lucky day is the 6th of July. Good thing it wasn't the 4th because we would have had to respin. All right, so everybody who shopped on the 6th of July is gonna have a check waiting in a drawer here for them. Go ahead and swing on in. Or another option, if you want to make sure you keep up to date with the latest news going on in the store, please visit our Facebook page at facebook.com/PCDirect. Again, my name's Tim. Give us a call anytime and we'll go ahead and help you out. Thank you.